Hey everybody, Brian at Lake of the Ozarks Appliance Service here, debuting the StreamLabs Control device installed at a condo, Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri, by Lake of the Ozarks Appliance Service. So, anyways, down to the nitty gritty. You got your device here installed after the main water, using SharkBite fittings. Amazingly installed, easy, anybody can do it, not a big deal, but I do recommend that you actually call a professional. Anyways, so in case you have a water leak or you want to monitor water usage, this device will control that. So you can set the parameters if you're away. It actually incorporates with an Alexa or a Nest thermostat also. So if you're away, this reads you're away, you don't have that main water off, this will say, hey, I'm away. There's nobody supposed to be using any water. What the hell's going on? I got to turn myself off. So anyways, it's going to go. All of a sudden, you've mitigated the water disaster. You have no leaks whatsoever. It alerts you via iPhone or Android device. Says, hey, we shut your water off because there was unusual usage. So anyways, you go home and you go, hey, I don't know whether I got a problem or not, but at least the thing's shut off. So anyways, I'm going to turn the device back on. Easy as that. Does control through Wi-Fi. That's how it speaks to you through your iPhone. You speak to it through your iPhone, a Wi-Fi thing, all the techno stuff that I don't even understand, but who cares? Somebody else invented it. Somebody else came up with it. They understand it. You don't need to. You just have to get on your phone, do a little thing, and it works. All right, see you later.